Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know there's been a lot of speculation about my mealworms. I know when I was elected to be your guys' owner, there's a lot of talk about this promise about mealworms, and it's been a while. I don't know if I'm going to be able to deliver the millions of mealworms that I talked about, but it's a start, okay? It's not a lot, so don't get excited.
They're moving.
The smart ones will eat. Where's Marv?
Is Marvin smart? Buttercup is smart.
That's not Buttercup, Mom.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. That is not Buttercup. That's not. Oh, that's Buttercup. I was thinking of Chipmunk. I was like, that is not Chipmunk. Mom, you can't call a rooster Buttercup.
Well, I didn't know it was a rooster. It's supposed to came out of a pullet pen. What do you think, ladies? Did Dad deliver?
I thought they were gonna be worms, not beetles.
Wow, that's there's no water in here, dummy.
Dad, I don't want water, not mealworms.
Leslie's just up there.
What's the matter? It fell in a well. What's the matter? Oh my goodness. Everybody's crying for me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I'll never let you.
Buddy's frozen in fear, or in hunger,
Daddy.
or in laziness.
He's lazy.
She's like, I'm not gonna burn up cardio unless I have to.
Hey, girl. Okay, girl. Thought I heard a chicken in there. Thought one escaped. Okay. Brenda, you want a treat? Oh my. Brenda, up, up, up. It got a little dirty. Sorry, Brenda.
She's like, yuck, mama.
That was pretty gross. I didn't mean it, Brenda. Didn't mean it.
So what's the story behind the eggs?
Eggs. Well, they got gypped. Only one egg for them today because I've got so many egg orders. I had to kind of skimp on them. Make sure we had enough, and I have enough for my egg orders. Unless my chickens just really show up today and give me a bunch of eggs, then we're good. But
Walk those bowls. Run them that way.
Brenda can't find her food. They can't find it. Did you know the pigs can't see that well?
This one. Oh, oh, oh. Back over there.
Over here, Brenda. Brenda! 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 See, your plan didn't work.
Well, your plan didn't work.
Eating the power soup.
They're good, Brenda. No complaints here, Dad. Just the time. Wish you would guys come a little bit earlier. Other than that, food is good. Wish I had 2 eggs, 3 eggs. Next week. Next week. Robert, you trying to sneak attack Mama? Oh, these birds. And there's more coming.
I need them all to start laying. Okay, I got 3 dozen eggs orders here, and I'm filling an 8 dozen egg order here. So I'm clearing out my eggs. Hopefully my chickens step it up and lay a bunch more today, because I'm gonna be cleared out. Only a few left. Okay, we gotta get this feed loaded up. We got our delivery from Tractor Supply. Now we gotta load it up and take it over to the coops. Oh. So what $160 looks like. And we get this every 2 weeks. Oh man. And I can't forget the lime. You believe this little bag is 50 pounds? This big? Oh, yes, I do believe it. Whew. Heavy. Okay, now to unload it. Blue Plymouth rocks. Oh, we had one that must have just hatched recently. Oh no, I'm still attached to his shell. Look at this one, isn't it cute? We got lots of beautiful babies. Oh, you guys are so precious! Okay, walk in some food. So many beautiful babies. Get another beautiful hatch. Lots of beautiful babies. We got a few more that still need to hatch. So I think we got 32 so far. Other babies up top here, they're getting so big. They're starting to get their feathers in. They're so cute. Other babies. Beautiful babies. Okay, I think I'm good enough. So that's 24, and then we got one more here on the floor. That's 25. So, it was a long day here. We got some projects done. Not as much done as we wanted to, of course, but Jessica got one of the coops cleaned out. We got our all our feed unloaded. We had a feed delivery today. Collected eggs, took care of the animals. But overall, we had a good day here at Sunshine Homestead. I hope you guys all had a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.